we source a lot of our ingredients locally. We source all of our hops in every beer, almost without exception, locally.
Nice.
And in terms of our kitchen, there are many local providers who we rely on for ingredients for our stuff in our kitchen. And some of our stuff comes right from the brewery into the kitchen. We make a lot of our food with our beer, and the spent grain from our brewing process goes into our stuff. But our community events and community partners, this town is full of great organizations, whether it's Norte or Cart Trails or the State Theater. I mean, I could just go on and on. And not only just nonprofits, but also just other companies.
Business to business,
Sorry, we're open here.
Yeah, it's all good. This is an in-action video, everybody.
To be in that mix is so gratifying for us. I love partnering with the State Theater. I'll do anything they want to do with us. I love it when people ride their bikes in a big gang with Norte over here. I love it when the Traverse City Track Club is, having one of their things here. We support Pour for More, so that's a way that we give back.
Yep.
My wife is executive director of a nonprofit here in town called Flow, which works to protect the Great Lakes. She keeps the water clear, I make the water beer. So, it's a great
You guys are a dynamic duo.
Yeah, this is it. It's just, and also now, Leap and Leprechaun run is here. The Jolly, what's it called? The Christmas, the Jingle Bell run finishes here. We do fundraisers for Warrior Sailing, which takes veterans out on a donated sailboat and helps them to, regain confidence and build team spirit and that sort of thing. We do, the Women's March. This is where the Women's March ends up. So, like, people from across the social spectrum are coming together here and just making it their place. And every time there's a different group in here, the place magically transforms to be their place, And so we are doing the work of making community every day. It's happening right before our eyes, and there's a kind of magic there, man. And it's
for sure bringing people together in that positive aspect is awesome, man. That's great. And this is almost like you said, like a platform or a stage to do that, be able to host those people here, under the business, for the business, and bring them out.